John Guest, push fit technology that makes polypropylene female connectors the ultimate solution for quick and easy tubing connections. Designed for use with plastic or copper OD size tubing, these connectors feature a polypropylene body and a food-grade EPDM O-ring. Enjoy quick and effortless connections every time. Manufactured with lead-free NSF 51 and NSF 61 listed materials, these are perfect for potable liquids and pure water. With max working pressure of 150 psi, these connectors are reliable and durable. Explore our full John Guest product offering and much more at chesterpaul.com.